second main objective is connecting global and Japanese expertise to those engagements, which is the reason why we find ourselves this week gathered together to share knowledge and to share best practices and to share experiences as we further our engagements on emergency operations centers.
This is a new area that we are engaging with as an institution, and I was wondering from your perspective, what do you think the role that the bank should play?
It's true that the bank, being a development agency, has really focused on how to reduce risk, help countries avoid disaster.
But we'll share some practices from the US and some other countries to see if they can be applied at all for some lessons learned in your establishment or improvement of situational assessment.
All of us who have been in this big disaster realize that all this technology, all this nice building, all this equipment is useful, but it's only useful if you have the right protocol, the right systems in place, and most importantly, if you have the right people to deal with the disaster.
One other aspect I would also suggest is to look at how this information is delivered to communities and how we can look at the early warning services delivery aspect.
With that, I mean, you guys don't have, so let's think back to public information warning. Maybe you don't have that.
Huge corrective action they've identified,
Countries are learning more from each other from the same region because they are closer in terms of the geography, the challenges, but also the culture of responding. And therefore I believe that the regional exchanges and learning from each other is very helpful.